Okay, Advent calendar day number 12. But we have to be quick because
We're going to open. First, we're going to go to friends in Glasgow.
So,
People in Glasgow make the gas glow.
like, someone also said I keep getting lip stuff. It does kind of feel that way, ne? So let's hope number 12 is not lip stuff.
I don't know. I just work there. Toblerone! Sweetie time. Thanks, babe. I was going to say I didn't have a chocolate tonight. Now I have one.
Can I also have one?
Me too. Does it say share? Where's the share pack?
It's literally like a family size pack.
I am a family built into this jacket.
Anyways, so I never got lip stuff today. I think I got an eyeliner. So that's pretty cool. I don't actually mind what I get. Because I'm so impressed he remembered me this year. Anyways. Ek gaan nou lekker eet julle. Okay, bye.